Welcome to How to Save Money on Groceries, a budgeting guide for beginners. In this video, we'll be going over the basics of budgeting for groceries and how to save money on your grocery bill. We'll cover everything from meal planning and making a grocery list, to finding deals and discounts and how to make the most of your grocery budget. Budgeting for groceries. Setting a budget is the first step to saving money on groceries. This can be accomplished by calculating your current grocery expenditures and projecting your desired future expenses. Once you have a budget in place, it's essential to stick to it. Using a grocery list and only purchasing products that are on the list is one approach to achieving this. Creating a shopping routine. Creating a shopping routine can help you save money on groceries by allowing you to plan your meals in advance and make the most of your grocery budget. This can include setting aside time each week to plan your meals, creating a grocery list, and shopping at the same stores regularly. Using cashback apps. Another way to save money on groceries is to use cashback apps. These apps allow you to earn cashback on your grocery purchases by scanning your receipts or shopping through the app's links. You can use the cashback you earn to pay for future grocery purchases. Some popular cashback apps include Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Fetch Rewards. Using rewards credit cards. Utilizing rewards credit cards might help you save money on groceries as well. On purchases made at grocery stores, several reward credit cards give cashback or points. Make sure to use the credit card that will offer you the most benefits if you're planning to use one to pay for groceries. Just be sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Having shopping strategies. The manner in which you shop can also have a significant impact on your ability to save money on food. Here are some strategies to remember. Compare prices. To locate the greatest offers, compare the prices of various brands and goods. Buy in bulk. Purchasing non-perishable products in bulk can help you save money. Shop at farmers markets. Fresh, regional vegetables can be found at farmers markets for less money than it would cost you at a regular grocery shop. Buy store brand products. Store brand products are often cheaper than name brand products, and they're often just as good. Re-evaluating your diet. Re-evaluating your diet can also help you save money on groceries. It's important to remember that the most expensive foods aren't always the healthiest. By incorporating more plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet, you can save money on your grocery bill while still eating nutritious meals. Avoiding impulse buys. Avoiding impulse buys can also help you save money on groceries. It's easy to be tempted by products that are on sale or that are advertised in store, but it's important to stick to your budget and only buy what you need. One way to avoid impulse buys is to make a list before you go grocery shopping and stick to it. Bulk buying. Bulk buying can also be an effective way to save money on groceries. Items such as rice, pasta, cereal, and canned goods can often be purchased in bulk at a discounted price. It's important to be mindful of expiration dates and to store the items properly, but bulk buying can be a great way to save money over time. Couponing. Using coupons is yet another excellent approach to reducing your grocery bill. To save money on specific items, several grocery stores provide coupons. Additionally, you can discover coupons on apps and online. It's important to use coupons responsibly so that you don't end up buying items you don't need just because you have a coupon for them. Utilizing online grocery shopping. Online grocery shopping can be a great way to save money on groceries. You may order food from many grocery stores online, pick it up at the store, or have it delivered to your house. Shopping online can help you stick to your budget by allowing you to compare prices and make a list before you start shopping. Additionally, you can frequently find discounts and deals online that aren't available in store. Cooking at home. One of the best methods to reduce the cost of food is to cook at home. You can save money and eat better when you cook at home since you have control over the ingredients and portion amounts. Additionally, you can prepare a lot of food in advance and freeze the extra portions for later. This can save you time and money in the long run. Using a price book. A price book is a tool that allows you to track the prices of items you regularly buy. By keeping track of prices, you can identify when an item is on sale and stock up. This can save you money in the long run by allowing you to buy items at their lowest price. Growing your own food. Growing your own food is a fantastic method to reduce your grocery bill. Even if you don't have a lot of outdoor space, you can still grow a variety of herbs, vegetables, and fruits in pots on your windowsill or balcony. Growing your own food can save money and ensure that you're eating fresh, healthy produce. In conclusion, saving money on groceries is not just about cutting back on expenses, it's about making informed and strategic decisions. From budgeting, meal planning, finding deals and discounts, utilizing online grocery shopping, re-evaluating your diet, growing your own food and using a price book, there are many ways to save money on groceries. Remember that it may take some time to adjust your habits and find what works best for you, but with consistent effort and determination, you can make a significant impact on your grocery expenses and improve your overall financial well-being. Thanks for watching, and please share your own tips and budgeting strategies in the comment section. Remember to hit the like button, share our video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content.